Episode 1: Everything About Flour, the Secrets of Gluten and Protein Content. Hello, and welcome to the Baking Master series. Today is the first episode, Everything About Flour, the Secrets of Gluten and Protein Content. Flour is the foundation of all baking. Understanding flour is half the battle in baking success. After this episode, you'll know exactly why some recipes call for cake flour, while others require bread flour. Flour is created by grinding wheat kernels. A wheat kernel has three parts: the germ, the endosperm, and the bran. White flour is made by grinding just the endosperm, which is rich in starch and protein. The two most important components are starch and protein. Today we focus on protein, because protein in flour forms gluten. What exactly is gluten? Gluten doesn't exist inside flour. It forms when flour meets water. Flour contains two proteins, gliadin and glutenin. When you add water and mix, these proteins bond together. This is gluten. Gluten forms an elastic network that traps gases inside. Bread rises because the gluten network captures carbon dioxide from yeast. Without gluten, gas escapes and bread stays flat. However, not all baked goods need strong gluten. Chewy bread needs strong gluten, but tender cake needs weak gluten. This is why different flour types exist. Flour is classified by protein content. Higher protein means stronger gluten. Cake flour has 7 to 9% protein, the softest flour for cakes, cookies, and biscuits. All-purpose flour has 9 to 12% protein and works for various purposes. Bread flour has 12 to 14% protein or higher, used for bread, bagels, and pizza dough. Whole wheat flour includes bran and germ, making it nutritious, but it can interfere with gluten formation. If a recipe calls for specific flour, follow it. Need substitutes? Make cake flour by taking 1 cup all-purpose flour, removing 2 tablespoons and replacing with 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Store flour in a cool, dry place in sealed containers. Refrigerate whole wheat flour. When measuring, fluff the flour, spoon it into the cup, and level with a knife. Better yet, measure by weight. 1 cup all-purpose flour equals 120 to 125 grams. Try this experiment. Combine half cup bread flour with 14 cup water. Knead for 5 minutes. Initially rough, the dough becomes smooth and elastic. This is gluten forming. Stretch the dough. If well developed, it becomes translucent. This is the window pane test. Try with cake flour. It's less elastic and tears easily. This experiment shows protein content differences clearly. Today we learned protein content determines gluten formation, and gluten determines texture. Next episode: sugar, caramelization, and the Maillard reaction. Experiment with different flours. Subscribe and see you next time. Happy baking!